All right, so let's evaluate this together. So this one is under modular. So modular arithmetics. Okay. So we have negative 49 plus 5 minus 2 squared. Then we have minus 5 squared. Okay. So this one is very simple. Okay. So we need to work on this. Okay. Be very careful here. Have minus 49 plus 5. So minus. So this one alone is 2 squared, 4. And this one alone is 5 squared, 25, mode 9. Okay. So minus 49 plus 5 will be minus 44. So we have minus 29 in mode 9. Okay. So this one becomes minus, so 3. So minus 73 mode 9. So anytime we are taking negative modulus, we keep on adding the modular number till we get positive number. 3 plus 9. So minus 73 plus 9 is minus 64. Plus 9 again give us minus 55 plus 9 have minus 46. So plus 9 minus 37. Okay. So plus 9 again have minus 28. So plus 9 minus 19 plus 9 minus 10 plus 9 minus 1 plus 9 8. Okay, so that's the answer. So the answer is 8. Okay.